In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Basecamp project by hiding tools you don't need, ensuring a cleaner and more focused workspace for you and your team. We all know that sometimes simplicity is key, so let's explore how to streamline your project homepage effectively. To get started, from your Basecamp home screen, identify and click on the project where you want to hide some unnecessary tools. This step is crucial because each project may have different requirements, and personalizing each one allows better workflow management. Once you click on the project, you'll notice that you've landed on the project's home page, also known as the dashboard. This is your main hub, where most of the project activities are orchestrated, so it's essential to keep it relevant and organized. Now, to make changes, you'll need to navigate to the project settings. Look towards the top right corner of the project's home page. You should see a Watch menu, commonly known as the Options menu or Three Dots menu. Go ahead and click on this menu. Here, you'll find a drop-down with several options. What you're looking to select is Change Tools. It might sound simple, but this is arguably one of the most powerful choices you can make in Basecamp. It allows for a high level of customization. At this point, you'll be presented with a list of all available project tools. These include essentials like the message board, to-dos, docs and files, and the schedule. If you're using Basecamp 4 or later, you'll also see the card table for Kanban-style task tracking. Don't forget about Campfire, the chat tool, and automatic check-ins for regular status updates. Each of these tools plays a specific role in project management, but remember, not every project requires every tool. It's time to hide the tools you don't need. Simply toggle off any tools you want to remove from view. For instance, if your team primarily communicates through another platform and Campfire isn't integral, you can turn it off. Likewise, if deadlines are tracked in a separate system, consider disabling the Schedule tool. The card table might not be necessary if you don't use a Kanban approach. As you toggle these tools off, they will disappear from the project homepage, giving you and your team a streamlined environment. After making your selections, ensure that you save your changes. If prompted, click Save Changes. This action solidifies your customization, and Basecamp will update instantly to reflect your preferences. Hidden tools will no longer be visible to anyone in that specific project, allowing everyone involved a focused and tailored experience. And there you have it. By customizing which tools are visible, you enhance project clarity, reduce clutter, and support your team in working more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your newly customized Basecamp projects.